Assalamu alaikum, fam. It's your brother Ben X. I want to bring a perspective and get y'all thoughts on it. I feel like in our community, many of us try to make people be everything. And everybody won't be everything. And as a people, if we're going to build a nation, we need everything, but we don't need everybody to be everything. For example, we always want, or it seems like, the pastor to be the one who's always also doing economics. No, he's the pastor. He gives us the spiritual word to resurrect us spiritually so that we can tap into the God within ourselves. And if we want to go do business, go do business. We want to look at the media guy who's going to be able to put out our narrative and say, you need to be in the streets. No, he needs to be in the media telling our story while you be in the streets, if that's your lane. Too often, man, I see us divided and going after each other because we all have different lanes. Yeah, we got some people that's going to be boots on the ground in war, but we also need the doctor. We also need the lawyer and the nurse. So we can't be everything. Allow everybody to do something, but it all goes to the whole. Your mother said 3 plus 4 equals 7. Mine says 6 plus 1 equals 7. Newsflash, we both talking about the same answer, 7.